Hey, welcome back. Let me show you something I haven't seen in a long time. I just got back from the dentist, so the left side of my mouth is still kind of numb. He just had to get that one last silver filling out that's 20-something years old, and he just had to do it. So let me show you something I haven't seen in a long time. And it's over here because I had Hot Wheels cars all over here, and I know it's upside down, but there it is on my workbench. Small shop talk. Oh. All right, let's get down to business. Boy, do I have a surprise for you. All right. Now, if you remember, cut, paste. I got all these cars from Redline Salvage Inc. Plus these two. Yeah. Now, Sean is hosting a drag strip race. It's actually a quarter mile, but the timer's at the 1/3 mile. He wants 1968 to 1977 originals. These are the only two that qualify. But the bottoms are not as easy as the current Hot Wheels. You got to pin punch that. Alright, so before I was interrupted by my wife, Sean told me these older guys, you need a center punch. They're not like the new guys. They're round. So I don't have a center punch. I got a pin punch, but I also have stainless steel nails. I put that in a drill and put it on a grinding stone, the grinding wheel. And I've had to put my nerd glasses on ×2 to see what the heck I was doing. But anyways, I got these open. Now, remind you, this is 1976 Z-Wiz. And he's all kinds of dirty. And I've got this Porsche, which also qualifies for the race. Holy crap, look at that. I guess they had that bourbon carpet. Alright, so I gotta wash these two. Here, this is something you don't see anymore. You got the chassis and the windshield all in one, and it goes back together. So these all need to be washed, and then we need to get out the goop and take the paint off. Before we do that, all right, before I screw everything up, this goes with this goes with this. Take the nail out. But these, I would have loved to enter this. This is 1980. C3 Corvette, one of my favorites. When I grew up, I made plastic models of these. Rexel. Anyways, I had so many Corvette Stingrays. 1980, but still, that's going to be a restoration along with my F40 that I got from Coughlin. I just put this away. Look what I got. Ho, ho, ho. Look what just came in. Yes. Second Chance Red Lines. Came in with my order. I got, take them out of here. I got stencils for the Porsche, 2, in case I screw one up. which I'm really good at doing that, you know. And here's, here, watch. Here's this guy. Oh. All right, so I got the basic colors. However, instead of blue, green, yellow, and red, they sent me blue, green, yellow, and rose. I'm not gonna make any of my builds rose. So it said, contact us. So I did. I took pictures too. And so this green, and they have not contacted me yet. So this green, I got two greens. I got green and I got vibrant green, but the vibrant green almost looks like the damn decal. But I've got reds, blacks, gloss, hardener, clear, gloss, black. Oh, this speed blue. Oh, I'm gonna love that. Oh, here's a graphic red. I'm just having too much fun now. Here's a silver back coat. What do they call it? Base coat? Yeah, silver base coat. That and this red and this blue are going to be electrified. And I got the basic yellow, blue, green. So, oh, and I got vibrant green. This is the vibrant green that almost looks like the daggone decal. So, yeah. I'm just going to use the regular green and then put the decal on. Oh, I'm so freaking happy. Here's a regular green, which these look more like inks to me. I've never used these before. I'm excited to try them. All right. I hope they answer me about this rose. I want a regular red. I don't want this graphic red for everything. I want regular red. First time I ordered from them, they screwed up my order. Secondhand red lines. Rose. Rose. Dang it. But here's, might be a clue because primary set, which is red, yellow, blue, green. If you go over here, it's not checked. So maybe they already know. And they just threw that rose in there to satisfy me? No, I didn't want rose. I want red. All right. Oh man, I'm gonna love this. Hey, I got 3 guys out there to say thank you for directing me to secondchanceredlines.com. That's original. I can't believe it. All right, I got to get these cleaned up. I'll be back later. Next. So yeah. Man, look at that stance. You're gonna need new axles and wheels for this guy. So anyways, here I'm at. Okay. Now, this Porsche, hey, that cleaned up pretty good. It's got some scratches on it. I've got wheels for it. Now the wheels for this come from this guy, which are about the exact same size. Now which one is this? This guy. They're a little wider. Let's hope they work. And the back. See, the tires are the same size. Still a little wider. But look how much room I got. That's a lot of room, so I think I can use this guy. I still got 5 left. All right, but for this guy, I am going to repaint him. I mean, this was my other favorite car before the Corvette, or along with the Corvette. Looks like a 280Z Fairlady. Could be a 260 or 240, but I am going to paint that and put the new decals on it. However, I got a problem and I need help. Now, this is not the help I need with. I can, look, here's, I never had Hot Wheels this old. Thanks, Redline Salvage Inc. I can polish that up and this up. But the damn interior is clear too, but you know, it snaps together. I can clean that up. This is smoky gray. You can see through it. I can do this and that. And the interior is the dark gray too. I never had Hot Wheels this old. Dang. My problem, which I need help with, this is the Datsun. This is metal. I want to clean this up with some CLR, as Sean told me, from Red Light and Salvage. CLR. But I can't get the wheels out. How do you get these wheels out? Now I just got a response. I sent a help request out on Facebook. Now Rob, Monster Motorsports, said put a thin screwdriver in there and bend this apart, and these will come out. Because let me show you what I did to another one. This is why I'm asking for help, because I screwed this up really bad. Hang on. Next. Alright, well, so this was a bit different. It's not in the middle, it's on each end. So I pretty much destroyed this for any chance of reusing it. I just wanted the front wheels. And you can see the back, it's just here and there. I'm going to try what Rob suggested on these, is just try to pry that apart, because it looks like it's been pressed down. Pressed down. Damn, I'm still drooling. But the Novocaine is wearing off from the dental appointment. So let me try that. Yeah, this guy looks pretty dang good. And I have tires. I have no tires for this guy yet. So I don't think I'm going to be sending him in. But I will be painting him. Alright. Before I do anything else, well, I am going to strip him. I will be taking this guy apart. That's easy. And use these tires for this guy. They're the same tires, except a little bit wider. Alright. Please help me on these. What's the best way to take these out so I can put new full axles in? That's the Porsche. That's the Datsun. Thanks for watching and have a great night. And any help, I appreciate it. Thank you.